Hi, today we're going to be building our field fence to add a little bit of security, plus keep our dogs away from the road. We're using 4x4 posts spaced 8 feet apart, sunk with concrete, as well as we're going to be using some T-posts along the rockier terrain parts. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hey, so today we're going to try and installing the field fence on our posts here. So you can see that we've got our post stretched back. We've got 16 on this side, 6 on the other side. They're spaced about 8 feet apart. This is going to be our first attempt at stretching wire mesh. We've got a come along and some other tools that we'll use, so we'll see how it turns out.
We're using the tractor to hook the come along and a ratchet strap to in order to pull the field fence tight. We've used a little sandwich there between some 2x4s to be able to stretch that field fence as much as we can. Now we sunk those posts in about 12 to 18 inches depending on how far we can get them down, and we've got the staples in, so it's actually looking like a field fence. The last step that we have to do is add the caps and then the framework of the 2x4s, and we should be all done.
Alright, so you can see that our fence is coming along. One of the best tools that we got was this T-post clip tool off Amazon for about 15 bucks. This is a lifesaver. When you guys are installing field fences, you have to get one of these. It's so worthwhile. Show you how easy it is to use. If you want to take a look at this, so when you've got your T-post clips on here around it, all you do is slide this through, slide it through the hole right there. And twist. Do the same thing on the other side. So you've got your clip right through. Twist right down to the next one. And then over onto the next one. And you can see how simple it makes putting those things on. I saw some people who did it with pliers. Terrible with pliers. I don't know whoever would want to do that. This thing is the way to go. So you can fly through an entire post pretty quickly with this little tool. So we finished our gates and our fences today. With the gates, we put together some 1x6s and 1x8s, and you can see it's a pretty simple sandwich construction that we've got with a little field fence in between. I think it's a really nice look that we've got. The gates only weigh about 50 pounds each, so the hinges don't need to be super high strength, which makes them easy to find at Home Depot or Lowe's. Overall, I think it's a really nice look, and it keeps the dogs in, keeps everything safe and secure for us, and it finally feels like a ranch.